Well, my U-joint broke. Good morning, my lovelies. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm just kidding. Hey, no ma'am, we're not going outside. We are, but not her. It's a beautiful day to work on your car. So, I was on my way home. Thankfully, I was going on to the highway and not on the highway. And I heard a bunch of clanking and, I was like, I hope that was not my differential or my drive shaft. Lo and behold, I look under there, it was my drive shaft. So, we're gonna be doing that today. All right. All right, so in order to take off the drive shaft, if it breaks, there are 4 10mm bolts here. And then once you loosen those, you're gonna do your front, which that broke there as well. You got your little bracket that holds it in place, so that way when you're driving, this doesn't tumble down and you flip, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, these are 14s on both sides, so we'll loosen those and go from there. So in order to get the rear off, because the front is broken, we had to pry into the little yoke part. So, this isn't spinning. Oops. This doesn't spin. Now on the front, let me show you what happened here. Look at that.
I'm gonna start some shit with my next door neighbor. Always leaving his dogs outside, always reading my mail. I just place you don't pick, but I would bet on my vigor, my undeniable drunken style. I'm gonna send him to hell. I'm gonna crush 40, break the bottle in perfect times. Let it shine on that.
Other thing that I forgot to mention, these little other brackets other than this one need to be removed. I would remove one. I think the other one's fine. And these are 12. Please wear your gloves. I just so happened to do this after work because this is what happened.
You've all had enough, so what will we dent your car? It's all in good fun. I'm gonna crush 40, break the bottle in perfect times. Let it shine on that. Then smash another drink from my stash. Is that all?
Get out of here.
Like you're dirt to me, another useless redhead. I don't wanna be another scam along the street that's wasting time and energy and all the things I don't agree with. I hate you, Mike. I hate you, Mike.
It is under here. So I use an app called Hondatabase, and here I usually get the engine codes, how you can do engine displacements, torque specs. It's a pretty cool app for a bunch of these Hondas and Acuras, and you gotta check it out. The code I got was 65. Okay, so this is the oxygen sensor that I was talking about, that I believe gave me the code whenever I heard the clinking. You can tell it's like not normally straight. Okay, so just make sure you take this little nipple out and you'll get where your connector is. This is a 22, so I have a wrench, thankfully, just to show you the difference. Guys, I got my new jack to lift my car. So, every floor jack I've ever gotten or had or whatever, it was too low to lift my CRV. So, with a bunch of research and everything, I got a bottle jack. Can transport it, and it is kind of heavy, but you know, whatever. It comes in a ammo can for this specific model. There's others that have like the bags. I chose the ammo can. Kit is actually called the Sergeant, and it comes with a giant sticker. It would be nicer if it was smaller. Waves. More cushion for your cushion. Here's the handle. Oh, there's the small sticker, but even smaller. More cushion. Okay, before we start just removing and adding whatever, we need to compare to see if this matches my old one. New bolts. Don't forget to take off this little bracket. It's closer to the catalytic converter if you want to know where the bracket is. It's 212 millimeters again. So what we're going to do for support, we're going to put the new bottle jack to kind of hold this up so I can actually bolt the carrier bearing in and then put the bracket back on that I took off. And now time to put the bolts in. Now this is going to be hard because this is kind of heavy for me. Oh yeah, I broke my gloves trying to open a package. I need some 8 mil. I think these were like 6 mil. Anyway, so yeah, you know how you hold things a very long time and then it gets heavier and heavier? Yeah, that's gonna happen to me right now. I moved the ball jack closer so you can actually put the bolts in, because was more of a hassle because you had to match from here to here on this thing. I had to spin it. And this you can pull or push to flatten so you can put the bolts in. So again, we're just kind of putting them in there right now and make sure everything fits, and then we'll start tightening everything.